This 2022 Jayco Melbourne 24R is a Class C RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Huntington interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2022 Jayco Melbourne 24R is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.